Sarngot ki Riew Shemphang na Riewlum Garo ki bakantop ya granite sangma u Nilbert CH Marak u Flaming Marak u Shiva Sangma bat u Emmanuel CH Marak kila tho da kajing Kyrpad sha ulat ka Meghalaya ban kener ki kiti jingerap ban penklan ya Khubor bat ka ikhtiar jang ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kumbala pensyong nong rem haka article 2442 jang ka 6th schedule jang ka riti sensyar ka ri India. Kini kirang ba kila Kyrpad ya ulat ban penklan ya ka GHEDC bahkan Iada ya ki hok jogi Riewlum Garo halor ka khendau ka siam ki klau ki betab ki dustur ki riti ka roi ka pa haka kamai ka ji ban kham tam ban khangla de ki briu bam de Riewlum ban yo besut haka yeng dorbar GHEDC lada kim de ki Riewlum pura bala itu khmat da ka anjong ka ri India. Kini sarngut kila Kyrpad di ulat banyak bat Khubor ke Sarkar India ban penlong dekat Special Intensive Revision SIR yaki electoral roll jangka GHEDC tang nak benta ki Riewlum Garo ban jiet yaki dekat jangka yeng dorbar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Hakata kashithi kini sarngut kila penpau kajing shania abat kajing kermen haulat baun sengap bikini kajing Kyrpad jangki nak benta ban Iada yaki Riewlum Garo nak kijait ben Riew hepat.
I'm from South Garo Hills. I'm working as a General Secretary of Constitutional Right Forum, and today we are here to meet the Governor of our state relating the issues of Garo Hills, like GHEDC ongoing situation. We put some points to talk with our Governor relating some issues we wrote here. Let me try. Some of the points that we tabled before the Governor: participation of non-tribal persons in the electoral structure of the District Council, inclusion of non-tribal individuals in electoral roll, use for District Council election, potential alienation of non-tribal land through transfer of pattas to non-tribal persons, absence of strict regulatory safeguards preventing transfer of land in plain belt areas of non-tribal individuals, and our proposed safeguards: restriction of electoral candidature. Only person belonging to the scheduled tribe community, scheduled tribe Garo community, should be permitted to contest elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and that there must be some requirements. Bona fide citizenship. Candidate contesting election to the GDC should be bona fide citizens of Meghalaya or persons born within the state, ensuring genuine representations of the indigenous population. Special intensive revision of electoral roll and SIR, deletion of non-tribal names from electoral roll, and restrictions of transfer of land pattas held by non-tribals. And are some points: prohibitions of sale of tribal land to non-tribals. Appropriate legal safeguards may be introduced to ensure that no tribal landholders may sell land to non-tribals. These are the points that we discussed with the Governor of the state.
What response you get from the Governor?
The response is he is also willing to do the things what we have tabled today, but he advised us that this should be in a proper manner, which means this memorandum should be placed before GDC and then to the Legislative Assembly, and then only the process will happen.
So, are you happy with the government? They have postponed the GHEDC election.
Actually, not supposed to be, but it is not in our hand, because the conditions of this Garo Hills is not the way supposed to be organized this election. But let's hope for the best.
What do you have to say about the government have said that the people of the world should be happy because the postpone of the GHGC.
I'm not sure about that, but sorry, I don't have points relating this issue.